Hello, my name is Rebecca Soxy and this is Vanquish Studio. I've been teaching art for over 20 years. I've been showing my art at comic book conventions throughout the American Southwest, and I've recently started work on my own comic book. I post weekly videos on how to practice, because how to practice is just as important as what to practice. On this channel, I explore techniques and strategies for drawing male and female anatomy, inking, shading, perspective, composition, and a host of other topics. I also do product reviews of stuff I actually use, and I do book reviews of books that have actually helped me to improve my craft. Subscribe today and watch your talent as an artist grow.